So now today we are going to discuss the question answer of which lesson. Now let's look. An alert baker. In previous video we have seen about the alert bakers. Whole lessons were completed. Now today we are discuss the question answer. Now let's start. Now make sentences with urgent and despair. Now I will write sentence with word urgent. Okay. Now look at here I wrote, my mother said an urgent message to fathers. Okay. Despair means hope, despair, asha, nirasha. Nirasha. A few positive words can turn despair into hope. Like this you can write another sentence. Now look at here. Sir, give one word answer. Name the countries involved in the battles. We know that two countries, Turks and Austrians. Now let's write. Now look at here, Turks and Austrians. Capital of Austria, Vienna. He heard a strange rattling sound in late evening. The drum belonged to Paul. This was moving on the head of the drum and creating a rattling sound, means marbles on the drum that. Now look at here. Explain with reference to context. They felt trapped either way. We know that. I will write answer. All peoples were suffering from hunger. We know that. If they didn't go outside, they would die of starvations. If they went to outside, the Turks would be certainly put them into the death. Like this answer. Now second question is what? The sound wasn't continuous. It would start and stop at regular intervals. Now let's write answer. A baker was preparing the flour at night. That time he heard strange rattling sound. The sound was not continuous, it would start and stop at regular intervals. Like this. Now next question is what? I do not want riches or rank. You know that. Who said this sentence? Bakers. To whom? Emperor. The Vienna city saved from Turks because of bakers, so that the emperor called to the baker into the palace and said to the bakers, what you want? Then baker said, I don't want anything, likes I do not want riches or rank. Now next question is what? Who was Paul? How did he indirectly save these cities? Now let's write. Paul was the youngest son of the bakers. That drum belonged to the Paul. We know that. He had put some marbles on the drums. After playing the drum, he kept like that only. He wasn't know about that, so he saved the Vienna city indirectly. Like this. We can write answer. Now next one is what? What was so strange about the baker's request? When baker said to emperor, I don't want riches or rank, and after he said, give me permission, if possible, that I may bake my bread in the shape of crescents, which is on the Turkish flags. Like that, emperor's was so strange about the baker's request. Now creative writing, you have to write this. Your homework. Now next one is what? Let's learn. Now subject verb agreement. The subject and verbs of a sentence must agree in numbers. We know that subject, then after verb, then after object. If the subject is a singular, the verb has to be singular. Likewise, if the subject is plural, the verb has to be plural. Look at here, singular subject and verbs is singular. The dog guards. She eats, he or she eats. In plurals, dogs guard. Like this. All these verbs are in the present tense. Okay. These all verbs in the present tense. The ending of yes and es are used both nouns with verbs. In a nouns, yes and es are used plural context. In verbs, yes and es are used in singular context. Understood? In nouns, yes, es used in the plurals, and verbs, yes, es used in singular. Here, in a singular, we are using in verbs, yes or es. In plurals, we are using nouns, yes or es. Okay, here verbs, here noun. Okay, this. The pronouns I, you, we always occurs with the verbs that don't end with yes or es. Now look at here. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Remember, the verb has to be agree in the number with the subject. The winner dashed to choose the venue for the dinner. The winner means this is a singular. Winner. If here yes, then it is a plurals. Winners means if a subject is a singular, then verbs we can use plurals. Means gets. If the here is a yes, okay. If the subject is in a plurals, then we have to use verb in a singular form, okay. Like this. This is your homework. Now write the antonyms of ancient, means we know that modern. Rude, polite, we can write oral, written, friendly, unfriendly. Blunt means dull, sharp. Like this we can write. Now here guilty, you know that. Antonyms of guilty, innocent. Rush, carefully. Innocent also we can write guilty. Delicate means nazuk, we can write strong also. Bitter, sweet. Like this we can write. This is your homework.